First, we'll start with a cartoon. That's what weavers call a picture we follow as we weave. Then I'll take you through twining, weaving shapes, sumac, color blending, and finally embroidery for detail and texture. I guide you through each step, and all the materials needed can be purchased in my shop. But you don't have to use exactly the yarn I do. You can use other yarns that are similar in weight to what I use. As for the loom, I use the Annie loom that I sell in my shop, but you don't have to use the same loom I do. In fact, I have several reference lessons that guide you through choosing a lap loom and using different looms for this course. You can start the course whenever you want and progress at your own pace. If you have any questions as you're learning, you can contact me and I'm happy to help. I love bringing the peaceful meditation and fun of fiber arts to you, and I hope to give you the foundation to explore more ideas and weave your way in this beautiful world of creating with yarn.